Hey everybody, welcome back to another amazing video, and in this video we are going to see how you can delete your Instagram account permanently. So it's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys. What you can do is just click on your profile icon right here, and from here you will get on the top the three lines option, the hamburger option, whatever you want to call it. Just click here, and from here we go to account center, and under the account center I want to click on this personal details right here, and from here you will get this info about yourself and your email, and on the bottom we also get this account ownership and control option. So let's click here. Now it says deactivation or deletion. Just go in here and it will ask you the account that you want to choose to delete. So let's choose this one. And it says that you want to delete or deactivate this account. So if you want to deactivate your account, it is temporary and it means all your profile will be hidden Instagram until you reactivate it through. So if you want to just temporarily deactivate this, you can use this option. But otherwise, if you want to delete the account permanently, you can choose this other options and just go ahead. Click on continue. Now it will ask for the reason. Let's say that it is too distracting, let's say. Click on continue, and it will show you how you can be less distracted by it. But let's go back and let's say something else, whatever is the reason. Let's click on continue, and now it will ask you to re-enter the password just to confirm that you want to delete it. Let me just enter the password quickly, and now let's continue, guys. And there you have it, confirm the permanent account deletion. And it says if you continue with the account deletion, your profile and account details will be deleted on January 8, 2025. So during this time, if you want to recover that account, you can recover that. But after that point, it will be permanently deleted. So let's go ahead and click on delete the account. And as you can see, it has logged out and it has logged into my other account. And that's pretty much it. This is how you can delete your Instagram account permanently after some time of waiting, if you wish to restore that account. So I hope you found this video helpful, guys. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn other amazing stuff on Instagram, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.